If you're experiencing billing issues on Cash App, follow these steps to help resolve them efficiently. This guide will walk you through the process to address common billing problems. Step 1. Check your account balance. Ensure that your Cash App account has sufficient funds for the transaction. If your balance is low, you may need to add funds or use a linked bank account or card. Step 2. Review transaction history. Go through your transaction history to identify any discrepancies or unauthorized transactions. This will help you understand the nature of the billing problem. Step 3. Update payment information. Make sure your payment information is up to date. Check that your linked bank account or card details are correct and that the card is not expired. Step 4. Contact Cash App support. If the issue persists, reach out to Cash App support through the app. Navigate to the profile icon, select support, and choose the relevant issue to get assistance. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email or app notifications for updates regarding your billing issue. Be prepared to provide any additional information they may request. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your billing problems on Cash App effectively. If issues continue, consider seeking further assistance or exploring alternative payment methods.